of makes, models, sizes, all sorts. Wheel configurations, scooters, and these have been used for everything. These were cheap transport back in the day because road tax was originally done on a number of wheels. So everyone used to ride a motorbike, and it's just cheap transport. And a lot of it you don't need the lower powered stuff you don't need a license for. So okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to start just pulling them into the middle a bit, and we'll have a bit of a word with a couple of them and ask them about their bikes that they fetch with them. Neil's going to come in and have a chat with a few of them for us, and get a few details off them just so that you can appreciate what you're looking at. There's understanding what's going around. They look fantastic, but knowing a bit more about them is also good. So if everybody that's on a bike just wants to sort of file in a little bit and line up, that'd be great.
Hello? Oh, we're back on.
Right, before we start, the lad on the quad bike has lost his phone. It's got a red case if anyone finds it, and it's the lads on the quad bike. If you could get it back to the military people. I've got the blood bikers, or representatives of the blood bikers. They've got a bit of a problem with their motorbike at the moment. They just want to sort of tell us what they're all about, and perhaps you'll pop down and see them later on. They're down in the with all those stalls if you would like to speak to them. But this is a chap in charge, Peter, and he would like.
I've got the dog show in a little while.